buy new optics. So number one, are you willing to invest the time and money in doing that? Number two, do you have a visual acuity issue that maybe would benefit you from having an optic? And here's the deal. Here's the thing I've heard across the board. Mike, I'm going to put an optic on my carry gun because I can't focus on the front sight anymore. So then people put an optic on the carry gun. And oftentimes, I hate to say it, a lot of shooters out there, probably not you watching the live streams, but a lot of shooters out there buy some junk optic and they mount it in the dovetail on their gun. If you're watching this right now live and you did that, I'm not poo-pooing on you individually, but I'm poo-pooing on the idea. You mount that optic in the dovetail on one of those really high mount plates, and then you wonder why it breaks when you shoot it. And you also wonder why you can't find your dot. Well, because you didn't learn to replace the battery, or you didn't do any presentation drills where we're talking about finding the dot. You didn't do the work, okay? So don't do that. So if you don't have the time and money to invest in an optic, don't do it. Number two, if you have some sort of visual acuity, like I'm at the point right now where I can't clearly see the front sight without correction. I can see the front sight, though. Let's make sure this is clear. I can see the front sight good enough to hit a target all day long at 10 yards. I can see the front sight good enough, even though it's slightly blurred, to hit all targets all day long at 15 and 20 yards. Will I get into a defensive shooting? What are the statistics? If I'm going to get into a defensive shooting, how close is the person going to be? 99% of the time, they're going to be 10 yards or closer. 99% of the time. So me just saying, hey, I can't focus on the front sight clearly is not an excuse to put an optic on a handgun. But I know an optic might make me a little bit more efficient and fast. I've done lots and lots of shooting with optics on handguns, from military classes to law enforcement classes to competing. I was shooting the original Carry Optic Nationals. I shot open back when it was a thing, right? So I know I can do more with an optic on a handgun. I also know, and this is the last requirement, are you willing, if you're going to put an optic on a defensive gun, to spend the time in doing dry fire presentations, both one-handed and two-handed, and then live fire training where you can find your dot, where no matter what position and what weird position or what one-handed position you're in, you're going to be able to find the optic. Because what I find oftentimes is shooters show up to class and they're going, the first drill of the day, they're going, we call it the dot lasso. Can't find my dot, Mike. I can't find my dot, Mike, because they didn't do the repetitions of this. We don't have to shoot, right? Literally, I just have to present the handgun, find the optic,